Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I've got the back off. I will do another video at some point showing how I get this on and off of here. It's just quite simple, but it requires some tedious things, which is like putting down these sides here. I've also got to put these stands, which you can see here. I have to put these stands here, and because I haven't got the original ones, and I have to jack it up and everything. It's a bit annoying. It basically just bolts on to here where the drop sides would be for the pickup, and yeah, I mean it's all done manually, but it's quite easy to do. That's what it looks like underneath, if you can see. So last week I had it in for MOT and it passed for flying colours. There was absolutely no problems at all apparently, but I think there are a few, and today I'm going to try and take off the bed. So I'm going to take this off, well I'm going to try to anyway, and see what's actually lurking underneath. So here's the mounting points. This one looks pretty good, but a few of the other ones, I think that's one just there, some of them look pretty rusty and pretty manky actually. There's another one in there, you can just about see it there. So they're probably seized on, to be honest. And I've noticed one issue here. The differential looks like it's weeping. It looks like it is. If it will zoom, there we go, focus. It looks like it's leaking, so that's going to be another thing I'm probably going to need to take off and replace the gasket around the edge, I should think, but it's going to be a big job getting to that. There are loads of cables that seem to be going places, but God knows where they're going. You can see them up there. It's a bit hard to show you underneath here properly. There's a lot of surface rust underneath, but let's just hope it is surface rust and not structural. I don't think it is structural, because it probably would have failed the MOT if they've actually had a good look at it. So this is the inside of the arches as well. It's a lot of, it has been repaired in the past, this. So there is a lot of surface rust, and there's a lot of areas where it's been welded, which you can probably see. But it all needs having a good look at, and basically I need to take it all apart and have a, see if anything needs to be replaced or anything needs to be touched up. It's like even here, since I've actually got it, it's starting to rust along here. This paint job that was done on here is very poor anyway. So you can see here, look, starting to rust. It's just surface at the moment, but as we know, it ends up becoming structural in the end. It becomes really bad and it will just fall apart, so I need to get on top of it. Now it's the summertime, I really want to get it in good shape. It's like under here, you can see more rust than that. Just all these grinding away and sorting out. Like these are well, I don't know if they're even going to stay on. I know one of the back ones has got a big crack in it. It's this one, look, you can see, look, it's actually, well, that's bad, but that's just, it all needs putting back on properly. It needs re-welding, and it's just rusted away altogether. Like at the top you can't really see it, but there's actually a big hole of rust up there. I can't get in to show you very well, but it's just at the top there. All the back here, again, this is surface rust and that, but it just looks horrible. Like the bushings are all cracked and that, but I mean it's to be expected for a vehicle that's over 30 years old. But I don't like how this looks. I really want to make it look nice, really nice, get it in nice shape, and then, I mean, it looks good when you look at it from here. It's just sort of like the details and like this, the rust underneath, and I don't want it to start getting out of control when I've put this back on again, because it will just cause us a lot of problems later. Not that it's hard to get off, but now it's summer, I want to get it into good shape. You can't really see from here, but they're the new skylights. I have got them in, but as you can see, the windows are past it, and they are extremely expensive, the new ones. They're going to cost me around £1,000 to get them, and then I've got to fit them. Now, I've spent already around £4,000 on this outfit. That's just purchasing it and just buying the absolutely basic stuff, so I'm going to be spending more money. It's not going to be about how much money this thing's worth in the end, because it's going to be worth less than I spend on it, definitely. But this is going to come down to like a labour of love, and I really like this thing. It's absolutely brilliant, and it's going to be amazing when I can actually use it again one of these summers, because this summer doesn't look like anything's going to be happening for anyone. Now that we've got the sides off, you can see a lot better. So I have actually managed to loosen these off and take them out. Here they are. Quite tough to get out, to be honest, but just used loads of penetrating fluid and they came out pretty good. I did bust my hand open a little bit, but you know, it's all part of it. It went right through the glove. Where's the other one? Here, I've got this one out. Same on the other side as well, but this one that I was referring to before is not the one I need to take out. I've discovered they're actually around the back here, but I'm having a right job getting them out. This is the only problem. Lie down. So let me see if we can get in there. So as you can see, you can probably see it now, it's this one here. Now there's two of these, but the thing is I can crack it off, but I can't get a spanner in on top to hold it so that I can actually get it off, because it seems to be seized on. The same is on the other side here. You can see it there. So they are quite difficult to remove. I'm going to try and keep trying, I'm not going to give up. I'm sure I'll find a way to get it off, and then we'll see if I can actually remove the bed. And then I need to sort out all this cabling as well, because it's a bit of a nightmare under here. There's cables that actually go places that don't go anywhere as well. So we'll see. Because I haven't got a unit, I've had to have it stored on this driveway, and as you can imagine, in the winter it can become quite annoying. It's freezing, it's raining, it's very wet, it's damp, it's all that. So I've been waiting until this weather, so then I can do like some actual work to it, and I can get underneath it, and I'm not going to get cold and wet and damp. I'm just going to be able to work on it. It's going to be dry enough. Until I get a shelter of some sort of unit to put it in, and then I can do more work on it. Then I'll probably have to redo everything when I get a unit, but we'll see when it comes to it.